Hello everyone and thanks for joining. So in this particular video we are going to do one end-to-end project, and this is the one of the sales analysis project. Okay, so we have a data set. Based on that we will try to build certain KPI, how actually we work in a real time. Here also we are going to see. Okay, so we have a agenda, we have a data set available that is having all the information related to pizza and their orders and their sales. Okay, and what actually we are going to do, we are going to derive certain KPI and we are going to see into the visualization. Okay, at the end we will see how actually we can build this kind of the pizza sales analysis, where we will show the certain KPI like the total number of the pizza sold, order, revenue, average pizza per order, sales versus order, daily how the order is happening, monthly order is happening, top 5 order pizza, lowest pizza, sales by the pizza size, sales by the pizza category. Everything we are going to see from a basic to the advanced. So if you are new in this particular channel, please do like, please do support, so that the more videos like this I will try to post it. Okay, so let us start with the practical. Okay, so let me show you the data set. So data set looks like this. Here we have all the pizza related details. What is the order ID, what is the pizza ID, quantity, order date, order time, all the related information we have here. Okay, now what actually I will do, I will open my Tableau. Okay, and this is the Excel file, so I will select on the Excel file. If you have another file you can select that. I will select the Excel file. Okay, and I will select the particular file. Okay, once you will select the particular file, you will be able to see all your related information here. Okay, you can see the order ID, pizza ID and all. Okay, we will click on this sheet and we will try to build a visualization one by one. Okay, based on the KPI. So what is our first KPI? Let us see. Our first KPI is like to calculate the total revenue. How actually we can calculate the total revenue? So I will give the sheet name as a total revenue. Okay, once you will write in the sheet name, you can see on the top also it is coming the total revenue. Okay, how actually you can calculate the total revenue? You can see we have a total price given, right? So you have to select that and you just have to drag. Once you will drag this, you can see that this is the total revenue, means the total sales which has been happened. What I will do, I will click here, click on the format. Okay, font I will try to make it 20. Okay, and the bold, so that everyone can see properly. Okay, so this is the total revenue we have. Okay, and now let us try to calculate the next. How actually this total revenue is calculated? You can see the sum of the total price. Okay, now let us try to calculate the next KPI, that is the total pizza sold. The total pizza sold, how many pizza which has been sold. Okay, so you can see we have a quantity is given, so I'll select the quantity, I'll just drag it. You can see sum of the quantity it is showing the 49k, that is the total number of the quantity which has been sold, that is the total pizza sold. I'll make the font as a 20 here also and make it bold. Okay, that is the total pizza sold. Now I will click on the next sheet, new worksheet. Now what is the next KPI? Total orders. How actually we can calculate the total orders? So we have a given one column that is saying like the order ID. Okay, but what actually we want to calculate? We want to calculate the distinct order. Okay, how many the total distinct order which has been happened. Okay, so what I will do, I'll just drag the order ID here. I'll select the order ID. I'll click on the measure and I will select the count of distinct. You can see count of distinct is there. I'll select that. I'll select the table. You can see 21k is the total distinct order we have. Okay, I'll select the format, I'll select the font. Okay, I'll select the 20 and the bold. Okay, you can see that this is the total order we have. Let us try to see the next KPI, average pizza per order. Now what actually we are going to calculate? Average pizza per order. How actually we can calculate the average pizza per order? So this is nothing but the total order, total pizza sold divided by the total order. Okay, so suppose in one order we are in one order people are ordering 5 pizza. Okay, so this will be the 5. Okay, if one order people are selling 2 pizza, that is the 1, means the total pizza sold divided by the total order, that will give me the average pizza per order. For that we have to create first calculate field and we have to divide it. How actually we can divide that? I'll click on this, click on the create calculated field, directly give the average pizza sold per order. Okay, so what I will give? I will give the sum of the quantity, okay, divided by count of distinct order ID. Order ID. You can see calculation is valid. I'll click on the OK. You can see average pizza sold per order we have calculated. I will just drag it. You can see 2.3 means average pizza sold is like the 2.3 means one order people are ordering 2 pizza. So that is the average we are getting. Okay, so that is also one of the insight. I'll make it the 20 and the bold. Okay, so this is the KPI we have calculated. Okay, now let us see daily total orders. Okay, so we have a date column which is giving, that is having all the date related information. Okay, now what actually we want to calculate daily total orders means on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday how many the total order which is happening, that actually we have to calculate it. To calculate it the Sunday, Monday, what actually we will do, we will create one calculated field. So I will click here, click on the create calculated field. I will select the day. Okay, and I will create one date name. Okay, and here I will give one calculated field, the weekday and the order date. Okay, from the order date I want to get the weekday. Okay, click on the OK. You can see one calculated field which is got created. I'll just drag it. Once you will drag it, you can see all the Sunday, Monday information we have. Okay, now I'll select this day. I will select the total order, like total order. How actually we can calculate the total order? Okay, so what actually we will do, first we will try to create one more calculated field. Click on the create calculated field, total order. Okay, what I will do, count of distinct, only the order ID. Click on the OK. This is the total order. What actually we want to calculate, total order on the daily basis. So I'll select both, select the this. Okay, and you can see on the top we have one option, the swap. Okay, I'll select the swap. You can see Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, all the information we have. You want to see the labels also, right? The total order. So this total order I will drag into this text label. You can see all this number. You can see on the Friday we have a maximum orders. Okay, I want to make it in color. Okay, so what I will do, the day, right, I will just drag into this color. You can see now it is showing into the color. I will make the entire view. You can see from here, you can see maximum of the order which is happening on the Friday. So that is the one insight we are getting. So this is the daily total order. What we will write, this is the insight we are creating, daily total orders. Okay, now I will click the new sheet. Now we will calculate the monthly total orders. How actually we can create a monthly, January, February. So I will create a new calculated field for the month. I want to get the month. For that I will create that. I will give the date name. Okay, and I will mention the month. From the order date I want to get the month. I'll select that, click on the OK. You can see one month column got created. I want to know the total order on the monthly basis. Okay, and I'll just swap this. Okay, and I will drag the total order also into the label, and you can see on the monthly basis how that order is happening, and the month also in a color. Okay, so you can see on the monthly basis how actually it is happening. Okay, now this is the one trend for the month total order, monthly orders, we can say monthly orders, how actually it is happening. Okay, now let's see the next KPI, sales by pizza category. Okay, so we have a pizza category. For this we will create a one donut chart. Okay, so for donut chart I will just try to write into the rows average 0, 1, and again I will just click here and I will write AVG and the 0. Okay, so you can see two chart. Okay, so I'll select the, in the left side you can see we have aggregated average 0, right? So I'll make it this pie chart, and the second one also I make this pie chart. Okay, and I will select the second one, I will increase the size. Okay, and the second one I will increase the little bit size, and okay, once you will do this, right, on the second one what I will do, I will click on the second one here, I will click on the dual axis. You can see now it is coming like this. Click on the entire view. Okay, now what I will do, I will click on the second one. Okay, what actually we want to calculate, total sales based on the pizza category. So I will select the total price and the pizza category. I'll just try to drag it, total price and the pizza category into the labels. You can see this we have, and the pizza category into the color. Okay, now I will go to the second one and I will make this color as a white. What color I will make? I will make the color as a white. Okay, so that our the donut chart it will show. You can see the donut chart got created. You can see the Supreme 208K, veg is 193K, chicken is 195K, and the classic is 220K. That is the distribution and that is the sales which is happening. Okay, so that is how the sales is happening. And if you want to know based on the percentage wise, so I'll click on the sum of the total price. Okay, and go to the quick total calculation, and you have to click on the percent of the total. Once you will select on the percent of the total. Okay, so what actually I have done, on the second one I have gone sum of the total orders, sum of the total price we have selected, right? So I will select that, go to the quick table calculation, click on the percent of total, so it is giving me the percentage. Okay, now you want to show only the 2%, so I will select that, go to the format. Okay, you can see the numbers, right? Here I will go to the custom, I will make the percentage wise only the 2. Okay, you can see only the 2% it is showing. Okay, so this is giving me the KPI percentage. So we'll give percentage sales by pizza category. So this is the one chart. Okay, now we will create one more chart. That is our next, percentage sales by the pizza size. How the pizza, based on the pizza size, how the sales is happening. So I will write average 0. Okay, we are going to create a same chart again, average 0 I will write. Okay, now I will go to the first one, average 0. I will make this as a pie chart. I will increase the size. I will select the second one. Okay, I will select the second one and I will make this as a pie chart, and size I will make as a low. Okay, and after that what I will do, I will select this second one, click on the dual axis. Okay, and this color, the second one color, I will make it as a second color I will make it as a white. Okay, so that this will look like this. Okay, I'll click on the entire view. Okay, now I'll select on the second one, and here what actually we want to select, total sales based on the pizza size. Okay, so what I will drag, first I will try to drag the total price into the label and the pizza size. Okay, and the pizza size into the color also. You can see we have a large pizza which has been sold, double XL pizza, sale is 1007. Let us try to see based on the percentage. So I'll select this, I'll quick table calculation and the percent of the total. You can see the 45 is coming from the large pizza, then the medium pizza, then the small, and the XL, and then the XXL. Okay, so that is how the pizza distribution is happening. Okay, so this is, we are calculating the percentage sales by pizza size. Okay, so this was the one of the chart. Okay, now the next is like top 5 best seller by the revenue. Okay, top 5 best pizza. Okay, which is the top 5 best pizza. Okay, you can see we have a pizza name. Okay, and the total order. Okay, I'll select this, and I'll select the table. Okay, first we will try to sort this. So you can see we have option the sorting. So descending to the ascending, you can see. I'll click on the pizza name, click on the filter, go to the top by field. We want to show only the top 5 based on the order, which is the top 5 pizza which is sold most of the time. You can see these are the there. Okay, so this is the information I am getting. Okay, top 5 pizza, top 5 ordering pizza, top 5 ordered pizza. You can see, right? Similarly, if you want to Okay, now let us see another, the 5 lowest sales pizza. Okay, so what I will do, I will select the here also top 5 lowest order pizza. How actually we can calculate? So our total order and the pizza name, I'll select that. Okay, I'll make this. Okay, first I'll try to sort based on the ascending to the descending. You can see these are the pizza which has been sold very less. Okay, these are the from the lowest to the highest it is showing. What actually I want to show, I want to show top 5 lowest sales pizza. Okay, so I'll go to the top, I'll show only the top 5. Previously I sorted based on the ascending, now I sorted based on the descending, now I am sorting based on the ascending. Okay, now here you can see, and the pizza name I will just drag into the color. This is the top 5 lowest order pizza. This also let's make into the bar chart only, it's looking good. And here also pizza name I will drag into the color, and the total order into the label. You can see these are the top 5 orders pizza. Okay, after that we will click on this new dashboard and we will try to create a dashboard. Okay, first thing is like to select the size, range automatic. So this is the first thing. Okay, now after that what we will do, vertical container, right? So I'll just drag the vertical container. You can see in the objects we have a vertical container. Okay, now one by one we will try to drag. First we will try to give a text, right? So I will just drag the text here. Okay, you can see now what we will give, the pizza sales analysis. Okay, pizza sales analysis. Okay, I will give this name, I'll make the 20, I'll make the color as this color, bold. Okay, you can see the pizza sales analysis, it is coming. Now after that one by one we will try to drag the. Okay, so what I will do, first I will drag the horizontal container here. Okay, I drag the horizontal container. Okay, after that again I will try to drag one horizontal container. Okay, this is the 2 container I have. Again I will drag the one horizontal container here. This is the 3. Okay, and again I will drag the one more horizontal container here, that is the 4th. Okay, so let me resize this. Okay, now let us try to drag one by one. Okay, so first I will drag the total orders into here. I just dragged it. Okay, and after that total pizza sold. Okay, after that I will the total revenue here and the average pizza which has been sold. Okay, I just drag it. Let's try to make it the entire view. Let's make all as a entire view. This also let's make the entire view. Okay, so this is showing me the total pizza sold, total order, total revenue, average pizza sold. Okay, let's make into the center. So I'll select into the header, make the center, all the heading. Okay, all the heading let's make into the center. Okay, now this also we want to do, so I'll right click on the format, go to here, go to the alignment. Okay, pan center. Okay, similarly for this also pan center, this also pan center. Okay, you can see all it is in here. Okay, we can see the total pizza sold, total order, total revenue, average pizza sold, it is showing. Okay, now let us try to drag the another daily orders. So daily total order and the monthly total order we will drag. Okay, I am dragging here. This is showing the daily total order and the monthly total order also I will drag here. Okay, so what I will do, I will make the entire view. I'll just make it into the entire view, and this one also I will make it as a this. Okay, so this chart is giving me the daily total order and the monthly total order. Okay, so this day actually I will hide the label, this month also. Okay, and you can see January, February, month over month, and the daily how actually my order is happening. Okay, now let us try to drag another one, percentage sales by the pizza category. So I'll drag here. This is the percentage sales by the pizza category, percentage sales by the pizza sales. This is another one, and the top 5 order pizza, and the top 5 lowest pizza. Okay, so let us try to make it entire view. Let's make all the standard one, and then we will try to merge it. Okay, okay, so let me decrease the this also I will make it the entire view. Okay, so and this also will make it the entire view so that it will look properly. You can see we are showing the top 5 order pizza, top 5 lowest pizza, and the percentage sales by pizza and percentage sales by order. Okay, so this all we are showing, and here you can see all the days and all is coming. So I'll just try to remove this. Okay, this actually here we will show all the filters. Okay, so let me remove this now. Okay, now what I will do, I will first let me add the border. How actually we can add a border? I'll select this, go to the layout, click on the border. Okay, similarly for this also I will make the border. Okay, for this also let's add the border. This also I will add the border. Here also I will add the border. Here also I will add the border. Okay, we will do more formatting, but let me add the border. This one also let me add the border. Let me add the border here also. Let me add the border here also. Okay, if we create a separate container for this, then it will be a proper mapping. That also I will show you. Okay, I will just remove this header here. This header also I will remove. Okay, and this pizza name, this label also I will remove. This label also I will remove. This also I will remove. This also I will remove. Okay, now let's okay, you can see this is the daily total order and this is the monthly total order. I want to do a filtering based on the monthly. Okay, how actually we can do? So I will go to the first sheet. Okay, I want to add the month wise. I should be able to filter month wise and the day wise. So I will select this month, click on the use all, click on the OK. Day also I will click on drag here, use all, OK, and based on the pizza category, use all, and based on the pizza size I want to do filter, use all, OK, and based on the pizza name, OK, use all, OK. Okay, and all this I will make it as a, I'll click here, apply to all the worksheet, all using this data source. Okay, so it will apply in all the worksheet, all using this data source, all using this data source. I'll make the all using this data source so that the filter will be applied into all the sheet, all using this data. Okay, this pizza name I will remove. Okay, pizza name we don't want to do. Okay, so pizza name I will remove. I will go to the dashboard. Okay, now what we will do, we will try to add the filters. Okay, so I'll select this, click on the filter day. So day filter will come. We will make it the drop down, multiple values drop down, so then in the drop down it will show. I'll add the another filter, that is a month filter. So I'll add that. I'll make this a monthly values drop down. I'll select another one. I'll add the pizza category here also, and what I will do, I will make the multiple values drop down, and I will add the next one, another filter, that is the pizza size. Okay, and this also I will try to add the multiple values drop down. The first one I will try to remove this. Okay, so we have created a filter. Okay, so if you want to see on the Sunday how many sales happened, so if you will select on the Sunday, the whole data will be shown for the Sunday, how the pizza sold, total orders happened, total revenue, average pizza sold. So similarly, if you want to see for the Sunday and Tuesday, you can select that. Sunday, Tuesday, Friday, you can select that. In the monthly orders, daily orders, so this kind of the filter we have provided. Okay, so this all the filter will help to give the information. Okay, similarly if you want to see on the monthly basis how the sales is happening, that also we can do. Okay, so suppose if I select the January, how in a January the total orders and everything is happening, you can see it is only showing for the January month, this many orders happen, and the Sunday Monday how many orders happened, what is the sales by the pizza category, sales by the pizza sales, what is the top 5 pizza on the month, January month, top 5 lowest pizza on the January month, and average pizza per order, everything it is showing. Okay, so this kind of the filter we have provided. Even you want to know about based on the pizza category, that also you can select. Okay, now if you want to know the how actually veggie pizza and their sales is happening, if you select that, it will only support the veggie pizza. Okay, okay, and if you want to know about the based on the pizza side, that also you can do it. Okay, suppose I want to know about the how the large pizza sales is happening, so I'll select that, it will show me the for the large pizza. Okay, okay, so this is all the kind of the filter we have provided here. Okay, if you want to add some image, okay, so I'll just drag into this one image I want to create. Okay, so I'll just drag here. If you want to select any image, okay, so I have one pizza image, so I'll select that, fit image and the center image, click on the OK. Okay, you can see one pizza image which got created. Right click, okay, floating. Okay, and what I will make, I'll add here. Okay, alright, so if you want to add a background color, so click on this container background. Okay, and you can add any kind of the color. Okay, similarly if you want to add for this, select this, add a color, so we will select for all. Okay, and you can try more formatting also from your end. Okay, so that it will look better. Even you can change the font size and all, so that it will look better. Okay, so we are adding a background. Okay, okay, now we'll go to this particular chart because it is not showing properly, right? Because we have added one filter, the pizza side, what actually happening, let's see. Okay, because we have added the pizza size, right? So I'll select that. Okay, the pizza size, it is selecting the L. Okay, so we will try to make it the use all. Okay, and we'll click on the OK. Now we'll go to the dashboard. Now it will come properly. Okay, because of the filtering, it was showing not properly. Okay, now you can see this is how actually we have created that. So we will show one more chart, and here we will show the total order and the total sales. Okay, so total order and month I will select, and also I will select the total sales. Click on this bar chart. I'll try to swap it. Okay, and what actually we are saying, that this is the first one, it is showing for the total price, and second total sales. Let's make into the line chart only, both, and the dual axis. Okay, and let's make the synchronize axis, and let's make the this is for the total order, and this is for the total sales. The second one is the total sales, right? So this chart will tell me the total sales and the total order, how actually it is happening month over month. Okay, let's hide this. Okay, now we will give the sales versus order month over month, how actually it is happening. So in the dashboard also we will include. Okay, sales versus order